Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working in a make ready. We got some baseboard to replace that was chewed up by a dog. And we got some door trim over here. And we got a window stool over here in the living room. So we'll get all that stuff removed and get our measurements and replace the pieces. Okay, I'm using this trim puller by Zenith. You can see it has a piece that curves back right there. Keeps from destroying your trim, which although this piece doesn't matter too much, but I am going to reuse the quarter round. We got a little piece over here by the refrigerator. So I'm just gonna remove this quarter round and this piece. I think I can reuse this. Looks like the paint's just off. Once I match it up with a new piece here, put a bead of caulking there, I think we'll be fine with this beside the refrigerator. Okay, we got the door trim off here on this side. Just gonna grab a little bit of wood filler, touch up this spot right here. And we'll cut a new piece door trim to go there. And then we just got the window seal left to do. Alright, we got it off. There it is. And here's our windowsill. Alright, so we'll take this to the shop, we'll cut out a new one, and we'll also cut out a new piece of trim for around the bedroom door, and we'll cut new baseboard for over here. Alright, we're at the shop, getting ready to cut everything. Got the door trim right here on the saw. We got our baseboard, the 3 pieces we need to match up and cut right there, and then our window stool right there. So we'll cut that one last. So go ahead and do the door jamb first. Okay, we got our door trim cut. Now we'll get ready to do the baseboard. Okay, I have a piece cut. Now I'm just going to make a 45 on the end, and then we'll adjust it or cut it according to length. Our old piece is 30 3/8. So we'll just make that same cut, 30 3/8 on the other piece. Okay, we got the old window stool laying on top of the new one, and all I did was add a couple clamps, and I'm just gonna trace around all the cutouts. For example, just like this. That way, if anything's out of whack, it's the way it was, and I'll just trim accordingly. Easy enough. So I'll just get this all cut, and we'll get ready to go install everything. All right, we're back at the apartment. Now let's see how this fits here across the windows. All right, that looks pretty good. Just get ready to nail it down, and then we'll seal around it. And we'll patch up some of the drywall here on the ends. All right, next we'll go over here to our door frame, and we'll get ready to put that in place and nail it in as well. Get another nail down here just to tighten up that end. Other than that, it feels pretty good. All right, now we'll just caulk around it, throw a coat of paint on it, and that one's good to go. Okay, we got everything installed, and got everything caulked. Here's our trim at the top of the steps. Here's the piece over here by the refrigerator. Here's our piece of door trim. And here's our windowsill. Just gotta let all the caulking dry and then throw a coat of paint on it. And then I patched around our windowsill here on each of these here, and we'll touch that up too. But there it is. Get a final look at it here once everything dries. Okay, here's our finished product. Here's that baseboard at the top of the steps, and the piece over beside the refrigerator. Now we got our door trim right here. And over here, our window stool. So everything looks like it turned out pretty good. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.